In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show an Outlook envelope icon in the taskbar for new mail. This can be incredibly useful for those of us who rely on timely email notifications to stay on top of our work or personal correspondence. First, let's make sure you have Outlook open and that it's running smoothly on your computer. Once you're sure it's up and running, we're going to navigate to the Start menu, where all the settings we need to access are located. Click on the Start menu, and from there, select the Settings option, which is represented by a small gear icon. Once inside the Settings window, you'll see several options. What we're looking for is System, so go ahead and click on it. This is where we can customize how notifications work on your device. On the left side of the System window, find and click on Notifications and Actions. This section is crucial as it manages how and when your computer notifies you of different activities and applications. Scroll through the list of apps available until you find Outlook. We want to ensure that notifications for Outlook are turned on. Look for Outlook in the list and make sure the toggle next to it is switched to the On position. This setting allows Outlook to send notifications whenever you receive a new email, which is central to bringing up that handy envelope icon on your taskbar. Still within the system settings, it's important to check under taskbar icons to ensure that the option saying Show Notifications in the taskbar is enabled. This setting directly influences whether or not you see the envelope icon appear on your taskbar, signaling new mail in your inbox. With those settings verified, let's head back over to Outlook. Within Outlook, direct your attention to the top left-hand corner and click on File. This will take you to a new panel where you'll need to find and click on Options. Here you'll want to select the Mail category in the menu. This section will allow us to tweak how Outlook notifies you of new emails. In the Mail section, scroll down to find the Message Arrival section. This is the area where you can fine-tune your notifications further to suit your needs. To have that desktop alert show up, make sure the box labeled Display a Desktop Alert is checked. This ensures you get a visual notification on the screen when an email arrives, giving you both an icon in your taskbar and a notification pop-up. By following these steps, you should now successfully see the envelope icon in your taskbar whenever you receive new emails. This will keep you informed and on top of your incoming messages without having to dive into Outlook constantly to check.